one leg already, so I have to do another one. So I'm going to make it sit. Here, sit. I think it will sit because if you make another leg and the tail, it will stand. Yeah, and I need to. I still didn't trim the hair yet. The fur yet. I'm doing the toes. You have to do 3 toes, huh? Do 10 single crochets, magic ring 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pull a bit, 7, 8, 9, 10, and put the marker. Where's my markers? And I'm looking for pins. Okay, marker ready. Now go around all single crochet to 5 rounds like that until you reach here. The red marker here will be 5 rounds, huh? You did 2, so need to join them to slip stitch 2. One, and then put this one in, and the other one, and then slip stitch, and then cut it out and do another one. The other one don't cut off, that one can go around. Then stuff in your fiber. Now, so I stitched up already. So here should be, this one is not counted, it's sewn already, yeah? So this is 1, 2, 3 there. Should be 3. And here should be 8 because you sewed the 2. So here 3, here 8. Now do single chain first, and then do single crochet 1, 2, 3, and then here should be 8, like that. Go around until the marker will be no increase, no nothing, same only, and until round 9. I said just now was 8, isn't it? 9, isn't it? Go around to round 8 until round 8. I know I did my feet is a bit big, so I'm making it smaller at one line only, so it's not so big, not so much difference, but I want to see how is it. Okay. Next one is round 9 is go to 5. Wait. Go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then decrease. This is decrease and go through. Do 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then decrease. Same 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hook and hook, decrease, and then there's one left. Just do 1 single crochet there. The rest is 10 to 12 is all single crochet. Altogether will be 19. Round 13 is go to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then decrease, hook and hook, decrease. Do this 3 times until the marker, the top part, round 13, round 14, all single crochet. Round 15, go to 3, 1, 2, 3, and then hook and hook, decrease, like that. Do 3 times and there will be extra 1. Just put 1 single crochet. That's it. Now we come to this one already. Then sometimes you won't end there, it ends somewhere here, so you have to cut it off, put a slip stitch, and then start here the side. Okay, but mine just came out nicely, so I just go 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn, go back, 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do this how many? 1, 2, 4. This is 1, 2, ready? And go to 4. I'm doing the part 2 leg. So going turn, ready? 1 chain, go 7 single crochets. Then now go to the side, skip this, just do hook and hook, reduce. Next one, hook and hook, reduce. Alright, then go on to 6 single crochets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here hook and hook, decrease, hook and hook. Where's it? Hook. Decrease. Now put the marker there. Marker from here, this is one ready, this is one line ready, so we're going to go all single crochets 2 to 5, should be all 17, round 6 all single crochet but change color only, and can hide the thread. Until the marker. While I keep doing it, I stuff in the fiber in. So the next one is round 7. Round 7. Go 2 single crochet. Then the next one increase. Do this 5 times and then there will be extra 2, so just do the single crochet there, then like that until the marker there. The next round will be all single crochet, no increase, no nothing. Round 9, let's go to 3, 1, 2, 3, then increase on the same chain. Do this 3 times and then there will be extra 2, just put single crochet. The next round is round 10, will be all single crochet. Round 11, go to 4, 2, 3, 4, then increase. Do this 3 times and then there will be extra 2, just put it 2. Round 12 is all single crochet and then we need to stick it and sew it. Put fiber up one leg and then the other one I didn't sew yet, so put like this, and then if you put the tail there, so he can stand, he can sit. Need to, bit messy on the wing. I need to put gum on this to make it straight. Put gum so it will stick out, and the hair needs trimming. The fur needs trimming. Last one will be the tail. So the legs ready and the patch. Now left the tail.